of relying on external factors, comma, the more successful teachers find motivation within themselves to upgrade their skills and contribute to reshaping their external environment. Full stop. Often teachers feel demotivated as they think, comma, delay grading or reuse lesson plans, knowing well that new, comma, upgraded ones are required. Full stop. They wait to be called out on that, comma, wait to be told what to do, comma, wait for an opportunity to feel better and to do better. Full stop. Yet, comma, a lot can change with an individual willingness to take initiative, to start with doing a few things differently and watch the outcomes closely. Full stop. Paragraph. A small example is that of a teacher who complains through the term about a couple of students who do not study, comma, do not complete their homework and do not show interest in class. Full stop. A good place to start would be to do something differently for those students. Perhaps start with active inclusion techniques that develop a sense of comfort and well-being for the child. Full stop. Many teachers choose to stick to tried and tested methods that have worked for them, comma, but, comma, unfortunately, comma, are a thing of the past, comma, such as teacher led explanation and note taking. Full stop. Hundreds of schools still follow this strategy in a bid to cover the syllabus. Full stop. If they were to venture into learning more efficient ways of student centered teaching, comma, they would find it works so much better in our world of massive transition. Full stop. Paragraph. Not only do the students benefit from upgraded teaching methods, comma, teachers themselves would find it gratifying and motivating. Full stop. There are virtual conferences, comma, webinars and massive open online courses that can enable teachers to bring technology into the classrooms. It appears that, comma, despite years of wrangling over the issue, comma, the country's top legal minds remain unable to decide by themselves what criteria must be followed when making appointments to the superior judiciary. Full stop. They have chosen, comma, to delegate the matter to the federal government. Full stop. According to reports, comma, a recent meeting of the Judicial Commission of Pakistan was adjourned without a debate on the matter after the law minister revealed that the federal government was considering amending the constitution to alter the process through which superior court judges are appointed. Full stop. The discussion was put off because the committee's deliberation would prove in case Article 175A, comma, which sets down the rules for judicial appointments, comma, was successfully altered by the government, full stop. This would seem like the logical step to take. The only question that remains is, comma, who has the government involved to advise on the legislative changes it intends to make, full stop, paragraph. It is worth highlighting that there has been a long running despite within the superior judiciary over whether judges ought to be appointed based on the seniority principle or purely on consideration of merit, full stop. It may be recalled that in the summer of 2022, a major dispute had broken out within the JCP over the nomination of several judges by the then Chief Justice, comma, Umar Ata Bandial, full stop. In several letters and statements addressed to the Chief Justice, the legal team had demanded the formulation of some objective criteria under which judges' merit could be assessed, comma, and for the seniority principle to be followed till such time as these criteria could be agreed